Hey guys, Conlon, W9CJF with Rubicon Radio. We're out here for a kind of a late day activation. Not quite a late shift, but a late day. We're just getting back from Iowa. We just stopped by to see my friend Ron. K-1005, purchased an amplifier from him, an old Heathkit SB201. So I'm super excited to get that. It's an old 2-tube amplifier. I'm excited to get that in the shack. I'll maybe do a video for you guys in the future for that. But we're out here at Park Kilo 1005, which you're gonna have to forgive me because I have to pronounce as Le-Aqua-Na State Park. We're in Illinois, pretty close to Iowa. It's about 4:30 Central Time here right now, so we're getting close to the end of the UTC day, if you will. But we're gonna set up and see if we can make some contacts, start calling. So this is the amplifier, if you guys are wondering. So it's a Heathkit SB201. Really, really nice shape. So hopefully I'll do a video on that soon, but I'm excited to get that in the shack. So we're almost set up here. It's almost dark time. There's Ryley. And of course this comes across the warning on the Jeep. Got a winter weather advisory coming out, but we're set up and we'll start turning this on soon. Is this frequency in use W9CJF? Is this frequency in use W9CJF? One more time, is this frequency in use W9CJF?
CQ, 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 this is W9CJF calling CQ POTA. CQ POTA, this is Whiskey 9, Charlie Juliet Foxtrot calling CQ for Parks on the Air. CQ Parks on the Air, this is W9CJF standing by.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November.
Kilo 5, November, Oscar, November, QSL?
QSL, you're 5-9 into San Antonio, Texas. Thanks for the activation today.
Yeah, thanks for the 5-9 in Texas. I've got you 5-9 here at Kilo 1005, Le-Aqua-Na State Park in Lena, Illinois, QSL.
QSL, good luck with your activation today, sir. 7-3.
Hey, 7-3, thanks for calling me back. This is Whiskey 9, Charlie Juliet Foxtrot, QRZ.
Kilo India 7, Whiskey Golf Alpha.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilowatt Charlie.
Couple stations, first one Kilo India, I believe, Kilo India.
Kilo India 7, Whiskey Golf Alpha.
Kilo India 7, Whiskey Golf Alpha, got you 5757 at Kilo 1005, QSL.
Roger that, and you are a 5-5 into Oregon, a 5-5 into Oregon.
Thanks for the 5-5 in Oregon. Have a good day. This is W9CJF 7-3.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie.
Alpha Lima 7, Kilo Charlie, QSL.
Roger, roger. Thanks. You're about 5-4, 54 Alaska.
Thanks for the 54 Alaska. I got you a 5757 at Kilo 1005, QSL.
Hey, QSL, thanks a lot for the activation. Have fun.
Hey, thanks so much. Yeah, that's my first in Alaska. Appreciate that. This is W9CJF. Yours at
Kilo 7, Sierra Echo November.
Kilo 7, Sierra Echo November, QSL.
Roger, you're 5-9, Arizona.
Thanks for the 5-9 Arizona. I got you the same here, 59 at Kilo 1005.
Thank you for the activation. 73, have a great evening.
7-3, you have a good night as well. This is W9CJF, QRZ.
Whiskey 6, Juliet, Mike Papa.
Whiskey 6, Juliet, Mike Papa. I got you 5-9, 59 at Kilo 1005, QSL.
QSL, good nice to hear that. You are 5-7. 5-7 near Sacramento.
Thanks for the 57 near Sacramento. Yeah, you sound pretty good up here.
Great. You have a good one. Good luck, my friend.
Hey, thanks. You have a good day. This is W9 CJF QRZ.
Kilo 4, Hotel Foxtrot Golf.
Kilo 4 station.
Yes, kilowatt 4, Hotel Foxtrot Golf.
QSL, I think Kilo 4 Hotel Fox Golf.
Sorry, bear with me. Kilo 4, Hotel Foxtrot Golf. That's Kilo 4, Hotel Foxtrot Golf.
QSL, gotcha. Kilo 4 Hotel Foxtrot Golf. 5353 at Kilo 1005 in Lena, Illinois. QSL.
You got my call right. Do you mind repeating yours?
Very good. Yep, I'm W9 CJF, Whiskey 9, Charlie Juliet Foxtrot. W9 CJF.
Scott W9 CJF. You are about a 5'7" going in and out in Alamogordo, New Mexico.
Thanks for the 57 in New Mexico. Yeah, the band's kind of going up and down on me too.
Yep. Yeah. Well, thanks for the contact and good luck on the activation.
Thanks for calling me back. Yeah, 7-3. This is W9 CJF. QRZ.
November 5.
A couple stations, I think November 5 first, November 5.
November 5, Yankee Echo Bravo. How copy?
QSL, November 5, Yankee Echo Bravo.
Roger, you're 55 South Texas.
Thanks for the 55 in Texas, got you 57. 57 here at Kilo 1005, 1005.
Got it, have fun, old man.
Thanks so much, thanks for calling. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
Victor Echo 1, Sierra November 7 Delta. Kilo November 7 Delta.
A few stations, Victor Echo 1, I copied first, Victor Echo 1.
Yes, this is Victor Echo 1, Sierra Kilowatt. You're 4 and 444 here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, over.
QSL, Victor Echo 1, Sierra Kilo, got you 57. 57 here at Kilo 1005, 1005, Lena, Illinois. QSL.
QSL is the Kilo 1005. Got it all. 7-3, all the best.
7-3, have a good night. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
November 7, Mike Sierra. Kilo November 7 Delta. Kilo November 7 Delta.
A couple stations, November 7 first, November 7.
November 7 Delta. Kilo November 7 Delta, over.
Kilo November 7 Delta, QSL.
Roger.
Got you 5959 at Kilo 1005, Lake Le-Aqua-Na in Lena, Illinois. QSL.
QSL 59, thank you. You're 55, Utah. QSL.
Thanks for the 55. Yeah, I copy that. Very good. This is, I'll say 73. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
November 7, Mike Sierra, India.
November 7, Mike Sierra, India.
QSL, November 7, Mike Sierra, India. You're about a 54 into Helena, Montana, over.
Thanks for the 54 in Montana. Got you 57. 57 here at Kilo 1005. QSL.
QSL, thank you for activating in 73.
7-3, have a good night. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
Papa Yankee. November 7, Papa India Bravo.
A couple stations, I think there was an Alpha Yankee ending, I believe, Alpha Yankee. Alpha Yankee station, Alpha Yankee. All right, no copy. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
D9, Charlie Juliet Foxtrot. This is Whiskey 6 Sierra Papa Yankee, over.
Whiskey 6 Sierra Papa Yankee. One more time, Whiskey 6 Sierra Papa Yankee. No copy there. W9 CJF, QRZ.
Victor Echo 5, Delta Lima Charlie.
Victor Echo 5 station.
Victor Echo 5, Delta Lima Charlie.
QSL, Victor Echo 5, Delta Lima Charlie, got you 55. 55 at Kilo 1005. QSL.
QSL, thanks for 1005. You're 55, Saskatchewan, Sierra Kilo. Thanks for the activation today.
Hey, thanks for the 55 from Saskatchewan. This is W9 CJF, QRZ.
November 7, Papa India Bravo.
November 7 station. That band's all over the place. November 7.
This is November 7, Papa India Bravo. November 7, India Bravo. You're 33 in Northern California.
Copy the 3x3 into Northern California. I've got you 5x1. 5x1 at Kilo 1005. K1005. QSL.
QSL, the Kilo 1005 in Illinois. Thank you very much for the activation.
Hey, thanks for the contact. 73, this is W9CJF, QRZ.
Whiskey 6, Sierra Papa Yankee.
Whiskey 6 station.
Whiskey 6, Sierra Papa Yankee.
Whiskey 6, Sierra Papa Yankee. QSL, I got you 5757 at Kilo 1005. QSL?
Roger, you're 575252, Newport, Washington, over.
Thanks for Washington. Yeah, appreciate that.
Roger, thank you.
Yeah, have a good day. This is W9CJF, QRZ. All right, thanks everyone. This is W9CJF. I'll be QRT. Well, who said aux lights on a Jeep aren't useful? So we're done here at Kilo 1005. We made about probably 13, 14 contacts, I think is what I count on the log. Very short activation because we decided to pack it up because obviously, as you can see, it is pitch black. We're quite a far ways from home. We just found out there's a winter weather advisory also coming this way. Plenty of sleet, snow, freezing rain, all the fun stuff that us Illinoisans love. So we're gonna call it a day here at Kilo 1005. I'm Conlon, W9CJF with Rubicon Radio 73. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and key that subscribe button down below and go ahead and check me out on Instagram at OffAirWrangler73.